what is the mission today? Well, I've had a bit of a cold. I'm at my parents at the moment. Mum's done an operation, which all went well. We're going to be putting the sound deadening stuff on all the exposed metal. So hopefully we're going to turn that ding ding dings into something a bit more do do do. Yeah, that's the plan today. I'm going to start with these back doors, then work my way to the side panels and the roof. Actually, I'll probably do the roof before I do the side bits. Yeah. And I'm not doing that thing. Hate that thing. That thing. No. Stop doing that, people. Hurts my eyes and my head. So everything is, like I said, new to me. So these were screws. I worked that out. Phillips screwdriver. Took them out. Then there are these things here, and they just sort of, you sort of pull them like that. I don't know if they unscrew or not, but yeah, look at that. Then you just pull them. I assume that's how this will loosen and come off. And we'll put some deadening behind that as well. Yeah. Learning something new every day. And this is all my tools that I've ever had. It's pretty much spanners and screwdrivers just packed in there for years, just there. They might be useful now though. Okay, I think they just sort of just pop them out like that. They look like this. I thought they were screws when I saw that head, but I don't think they are. Right, so that's how it all comes out, like that. Put them back in after, I guess. And that is inside the back of the van. What's that do? What's this? Is that a lock? What does that do? Someone will tell me in the comments what that does. That's got to be in there. It's got to be some kind of lock from the inside, maybe? Don't know. Right, let's see how this deadening looks then. So what I bought, you get 80 of these, stick on pads. I mean, they're tiny, aren't they? I mean, how much deadening do you really need? You've got to cake the whole thing. There's going to be insulation there, and there's going to be a wrap as well. That's going to minimise a lot of it. So I think this is just to take away the FUD. We'll see. Don't sound no different. We'll see. Okay. Might give this a bit of a clean as well. This is mould and mildew blaster. I'm just going to spray on the metal before I do the other bits. Because there is build up condensation. I'll spray it now just to try and kill anything that might be there. Let it dry. That's why I'm doing this side now. While that's drying, I'll carry on stickering this side. I'm going to spray the ceiling as well. Because that condensation building. And little black dots, probably just dirt, but better be safe than sorry. And then we'll do a comparison. We'll see if this sounds less deadened or more deadened. How's this one? Tinny? Yeah. It's more like a bore. This is. So it takes away that tinny top end bit. Yeah. Keep going. So looking at these doors as well, like down here. There's a lot of space in it. I know you're going to fill it with this stuff. You're going to put insulation here as well. And you're going to vapour wrap it and then carpet it with full insulated. But that's a big old space there, isn't it? It's a shame we can't use that for like storage. Stuff it with insulation. That'll be the plan. Put that cover back on, and then I'll get one of those either netted storage things that you just screw in, just like a net, put stuff in. One side, on the other side, one of those folding tables that's flat, just pops up. So you can put your cup in that. Obviously not at this angle, your cup will be going flying. So yeah, I think that might be the idea for them bits. Like a little folding table and like a net storage here. Maybe some net storage on the back here. Just try and utilise a bit more space. So we'll have one more here, maybe one there. We'll stick a couple in here. Maybe one more in there. Then I think that'll be the doors done. And then we'll start on the ceiling quite a bit. And maybe this side. We'll see how the time goes. People say you can put them in the bonnet as well. Under the bonnet, on the metal there. We'll see. Wheel arches maybe. Might need another box. But we'll do what we can for now. Can you come say hello? Yeah? Can you come say hello? Yeah? Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, you are. Where can we stay up? Because if they don't, then I have to get glue from them. I don't know how to do it. But I'm hoping they stay up for the next week or two. Look, already they're not sticking. It's going to be a week before the other stuff arrives, which goes over this. Once you've got the insulation on the top of it, and the vapour stuff all glued and stuck down, these should just stay there, shouldn't there be no issue then. So a quarter way through the pack, you get a pack of these things, and you get this roller. So I'll put them on all the back doors and doing the ceiling there. The only thing I'm worrying about these being on there, because I'm not going to have the insulation on top of that yet, it's just going to fall off condensation. We will see. Yeah, they come in this plastic bag. These ones might be slightly better. The others are all loose, and I'm sure like the air's got parts of the corners, so the sticky's probably not as strong. Just don't know over the next week, then just sitting there exposed like that, if they'll fall off due to the temperature changes. We'll see. I'll put the boards back over them for now. I need to get the thermal insulation over that as soon as possible, maybe even glue it on some parts. I think that's what's needed, just to keep them on there. And the ceiling. We'll see. We will see. I was just thinking, because the smaller door at the back has now got the deadening on, the only thing to go back on it will be the plywood and that, whatever that black stuff is. So I might as well see if I can fit it with some of this fleece, and then that back door, for instance, on its own would be done, apart from also doing the vapour wrap afterwards and the carpet. But you know what I mean. I've got the Dead Easy Eco Feel Fleece by Deadoning. They do like 3 versions. They have like a premium, pro, and something else. I think Dead Easy is their like budget one. 10-metre roll. Never done this before. Don't know what it's like. Okay. Yeah. It'll be fine for that panel bit on that door, but probably going to need another roll of this. It's 10 metres. If I'm doing the ceiling and the sides, not doing the floor. Yeah, we'll see. We'll give it a go, and then we'll carry on with that deadening. I just want to see how it works behind this panel. Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably need 2 rolls, I think, for this. It's going to be a lot of sort of cutting bits, filling in gaps. Especially in these bits. And if you're stuffing it in, you're going to be using like 4 times the thickness. That'd be just a waste, wouldn't it? Or not. We'll see. So I think maybe if I cut a section off just to go down here and here, just complete the width, that'll be it. And then I'll screw the board back on top, and that will be the insulation for that bit, I guess. And do you put it on this bit as well? No, you don't, do you? Or do you? Yeah, you do, didn't you? Yeah, that works. A bit more here, a bit here, and then we'll have a full bit of insulation there. Get it down here today as well. Yes. Yes. Why are you so nervous? Are you? Well done. Getting a bit braver, ain't you? You seem scared and nervous and everything. Why are you so nervous? Why are you so scared of everything? Yeah. Doing good? You wouldn't even come out here for the first couple of hours. Very sensitive. Scared of everything, noises and bags, things moving. Aren't you? Very jumpy. Yes, you've done well. You're doing good. Doing good. Yes, doing good. Yeah, and I can't play with your toy yet. Not yet. Yeah, so I'll do this. Yeah. Yeah. You done? You done? You done? Huh? Okay. Big yawn. Sit down. Good boy. Well done. Well done. Flex. Space, look, the ball was here. There's not that much space around that ball. Too much space. Too much space. Yeah. You heard a bowl. Good boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Go. Give me. Good boy. Put your paw up. Yeah. Put your paw up. Yeah, this way. Yeah. That's it. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. That's how you do it. Oh, you have to get up as well, right? You don't just knock it and walk away. That's it. That's it. Yeah. You getting it? You getting it? This stuff, this pair of scissors, just cutting slowly with it. If you see, you can tear it, but you get loads of dusty fibres. Don't really want that. Just cutting it slow. Just a pair of household scissors and they're cutting fine, so. This is stuck. This has just been placed and wedged in. There'll be a board back over the top. Because there's like wires and connections here, I don't really want to glue it and block stuff. And this crevice is here. We'll have a look, but yeah, here I've placed it as well. This one's glued. This one's glued. Might try this bit of sealing. And then eventually try and get these sides off here before I do the next bits. So 4 bolts for this half. One down here, one down here, and 2 at the top. Here and here. Take them out with, what are these called? Wrenches or I don't know, called one of these. And now that should just come out. There we go. So we are half the bulkhead clear, which frees up some space. I haven't took this one out yet because it's part of the seat belt for the middle seat, and I don't know how to take this apart yet down the bottom, but I also will then have to reclassify it as a two-seater once it will fail the MOT. So for now, this one behind the driver's seat can stay. It's only half, and now this will be clear. Yeah, take care.